Very excited to talk about some of the new programs we've implemented in the Glendale Police Department. The job of law enforcement is ever changing with new demands put upon our officers to make sure we're providing the highest level of public safety service for this community. We have had some great success with our new programs, and we continually see the need for them in our ever-changing world. Some of the new programs include our homeless outreach team, our mental health evaluation team, our DNA crime lab, our EMTs and tactical medical program.
The homeless outreach team of Glendale Police Department works together with city staff and Essentia, our homeless services provider, to link the homeless population of Glendale to all the services they need in the community. Resources include hygiene, clothing, food, shelter, mental health counseling, and healthcare in our hospitals. The team assesses the needs of our homeless population and works together to reduce calls for service to the police department, the fire department, and reduce visits to the emergency rooms in the hospitals, and reduce incarcerations in jail. Our ultimate goal is permanent supportive housing with wraparound case management services to end homelessness in Glendale.
I work with Glendale Police Department's mental health evaluation team. My partner is a mental health clinician from the Department of Mental Health. We respond to calls for service involving those suspected of being mentally ill. When we arrive on scene at one of these calls, we do an assessment, and because of our training, we're able to provide a higher level of service and better linkage to resources for our clients and the citizens of Glendale. We also strive for compassionate policing and to make Glendale a better place.
Here at the Crime Lab, we provide forensic services that support ongoing investigations. The services we provide include crime scene investigations, latent print examinations, DNA testing, and computer forensics examinations. Recently, the laboratory identified a suspect in a Glendale robbery based on DNA evidence left behind at the scene. It was later determined through investigations that this individual is also a suspect in 2 homicides that occurred in Los Angeles.
Over the past few years, the Glendale Police Department, and specifically our Detective Bureau, has seen an evolution in the way that we fight crime. We've been fortunate enough to have our own DNA lab in-house, which has caused our detectives to look for new ways of collecting evidence. So when we collect evidence, we're looking for DNA. This has allowed us to solve both cold cases and cases similar to a residential burglary, where no evidence was seemingly left behind. But because we look for DNA, we're able to track down those suspects as well as collect the property for the victims. This has helped us solve cases, but also helped keep Glendale a lot safer.
Since the inception of our Medic EMT program in 2015, the Glendale Police Department has had many success stories. Our officers, who are often the first responders on scene, are able to provide life-saving medical treatment that has made the difference in those in need of critical care. Our partnership with the Glendale Fire Department has made this community a safer place for those who live, work, and play.
Hopefully you've gotten some insight into the success of the new programs that we have started here in the Glendale Police Department. These new programs are providing a high level of service that we previously did not have available. The hardworking men and women of the Glendale Police Department are out every day ensuring that we're providing the highest level of safety and service to ensure that the city of Glendale is one of the safest cities in California.